Hi kiddos, this is Miss Stark with another video. This time we will be doing using order of operations with expressions and with exponents. The first thing we're going to do, we're going to zoom in a little bit and we're going to write our name. Please get in the habit of writing our name. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to read the directions. Simplify or evaluate, which is just a fancy word of saying solve, each exponential expression using the order of operations. The answers are mixed up at the bottom of the page. Cross out the answers as you complete the problems. So, for those who don't know, order of operations is also known as PEMDAS. The P stands for parentheses. The E stands for exponents. M and D, multiplication division. A and S, adding and subtracting. Both multiplication and division and adding and subtracting are done left to right. So if division comes before multiplication, you do division first. Same with adding and subtracting. Now, I'm going to be doing 3 of these with you. The first one I'm going to be doing is number 1. So I'm going to scroll all the way to the bottom and I'm going to click on this little plus sign to get me an extra page so I can show my work there. And I'm zoomed in really close so that I write really neatly. Now the problem for number 1 is we got parentheses 6 plus 3 to the 4th power. Now PEMDAS, gonna write it here again so I know what I'm doing. I gotta do parentheses first. Well, in my parentheses I have 6 plus 3. Well, that becomes 9. And then I'm going to bring down the 4 exponent. Next I got to do exponents, so 4 to the 9th power. Well, I'm not too good with exponents, so I'm going to be pulling up my calculator. And, oh look, I already have it up here. 9 to the 4th power. Let's just make sure. 9 to the 4th power equals 6,561. Now I'm going to scroll up a little bit to look at my answers to see if that is one of my answers. Yes, it is, right here. So I'm going to cross it out and put it right here. Now the next one I'm going to be doing is number 6. So I'm going to do this in a different color. I'm going to do purple. Okay, number 6 is 5 plus 9 parentheses 1s. This means times. When a 9 and the 1 next to each other, that's times. Plus 2 squared. So PEMDAS, parentheses. Well, inside my parentheses is just the number 1, so there's nothing I can do there. So I go to E, exponents. I got one here. 2 to the 2nd power is 4. So I have 5 plus 9 times 1 plus 4. Next is multiplication and division. I do have a multiplication right here with the 9 and the 1. 9 times 1 is 9. And I bring everything else down. Now I add. This comes first, then this. So 5 plus 9 is 14. Plus 4 equals 18. I'm going to scroll up. There's my 18. Cross it off. Go to number 6 and write 18. Now the last one I'm going to do for you is number 11. It's one of the 2 that has a variable. Gonna do this in another color as well. So we have number 11, and it is 12 plus x to the 4th power minus 6. I don't have any parentheses, but I do have to evaluate my x. It says x equals 8. Remember, gotta know that. So my first step, besides PEMDAS, is to insert 8 into this equation. So I have 12 plus 8 to the 4th power minus 6. Now I can solve it. So I don't have any parentheses. I do have an exponent, 8 to the 4th. Again, I don't know what 8 to the 4th is, so I'm going to pull up my calculator. I'm going to do 8 x to the y 4 equals 4,096. So I got 4,096 minus my 6 there, plus my 12 here. Now I do multiplication and division. There's none. Adding and subtracting. Well, I first got to do 12 plus 4,096. And if I pull up my calculator, I can just add 12. And I get 4,108 minus 6. My answer is 4,102. If I scroll up my answers, it's right there. 4,102. And that's how you solve these problems. You'll know if you get your answer right by if it's down here at the bottom. Now, if you need any help, let me know. I hope this video has helped. I can't wait to see you next time. Bye!